This is an exciting one, typography. Though most of the times we ignore the typography plays in making your design stand out and look good, but typography is like one of the most outstanding things that we cannot do without on an interface design. Use typography to present your design and content as clear and efficient as possible, right? So there are different scales of typography on your interface, and you have to also know them to you have to also know them yourself to create a good and great design. And first is heading 1. Heading 1 is the first type you see at the top of your interface, at the top of your landing page, right? That should be like the most prominent text. And also heading 2 could be another could be on the next page, but you have to set all of these headings to understand how texts are going to be arranged, at what scale, and and with what frequency. So you have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6, subtitle with the weight, and you also have a weight here, so you can use this as a guide to when you're creating your own interface, right? Your typeface could be Roberto, could be DM Sans, could be Product Sans, could be Helvetica, whatever your typeface could possibly want, whatever you chose as your typeface. Weight could be light, regular, medium. An example where this is applied to a type scale. The type scale appears as text in component and all overall layout. Type attributes can use column volume for the type font, for the typeface, font, case, size, and letter space. So you have under here overline, which you have under, which we talked about already, and you have under here heading 5, depending, maybe this is for a mobile device because he has this burger icon. Heading 5 right here, and then the body, so body 2, right? Body 2 here. So this is functional. The same thing goes, and this is like an example, and this is like the use case for that type, right? So you have to put all of this into consideration while you're designing. What is the size of the text you're going to use across for a similar scenario, a similar emphasis, then or in the future? Now we're going to head on to a hands-on on a real-life project. And in this project, it's going to be really exciting because we are going to work on a financial product, Exchange Bank. So let's get into it.